In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to read food labels. Enjoy!
Everybody, so this is Monica Gary with Your Nutrition in 90 Seconds 2020. So, Your Nutrition 90 Seconds, if you don't know what it is, it's just a 90-second video or sometimes maybe more that I come on and share a quick tip about something health nutrition wise. So today I'm going to talk about reading labels. So I know right now, 2020, first day of the year, a lot of people are trying to eat healthier, all that. But I just want to give you a quick tip on label reading, about reading labels. Sometimes you're looking at labels, you don't know what you're looking at. This is just a very, very short, quick tip. So I have a box of Honey Nut O's, not Cheerios, but O's. So let's look at the label. Here's the label. The first thing you want to look at when you're looking at a label is the nutrition facts. Look, of course, the nutrition facts is the label. You're going to look at the serving size. So the serving size for this, can you see that? It is 1 1/4 cup. So you want to look at that first. So if you got a cup and a fourth, you're going to get, next thing, 160 calories. So in that, right? The next thing you want to look at is this section. This section has the saturated fat, total fat, all that. And because this is like a cereal, it doesn't have a lot in the saturated fat is 0, which is good. You want to look at that. If it has 3 grams or more, that's high in fat. Next thing you want to look at is the cholesterol, sodium, and all that. So this is the section you want to kind of watch out for. And I may do a little video to go in more detail about what all that means. This section right here shows your vitamins, calcium, how much of that is in this product. You can't really see it really good, so I get y'all to see it. And some of it's at 10%, 25%, and all that. So you really want to look at, so for instance, if you had like 2 cups of whatever product you have, it may be 200 calories. You have to look at what you're getting. So a lot of times people are trying to eat less fat, less sodium. They say, well, I guess something was fat-free or reduced fat, but the sodium may be higher. So you tend to eat more of it. You know, it's like, but the sodium content may be higher. So you need to look at what you're doing. So you eat more of it because it's low in fat, but it may be higher in sodium. So make sure you kind of get more familiar with your nutrition label. So this is just a quick tip. Look at the serving size first, calories, and know how much servings you are getting. So you may have to multiply yours if you get more of that, or decrease if you get less. So this is a quick tip for today, Your Nutrition in 90 Seconds. Label reading, just an intro to that. And I will see y'all next time.